I'm going to go through the steps jazz box. Jazz box, as you often meet in step sheets on the lower level and upwards. Jazz box, if you do start with the right foot, you cross in front of the left, back on your left foot, right to your right, and a step forward on your left foot. So that means you start with your upper left corner, lower left corner, lower right corner, and your upper right corner. So if you do a jazz box. The counting, normal counting is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You also have some variations with the jazz box. The most normal variations are you start the same, across, back, side, touch. You end with touching left side right. Or if you can also do the other way across. Cross, back, to the side, touch. That's one variation with a touch on the fourth count. You also have a variation where you end with a cross. Start again, so it's across, back, side, across. That's also a very normal variation of the jazz box. You also have another variation is with a quarter turn. Quarter turn. So you start the same way. Across. You have two options when turning. I like to turn on the second step. Then I turn a quarter, step back, I go to the right, and I step forward. One more time. So it's a cross, turn a quarter, to the right, step. But as I mentioned, there you have sort of two possibilities. Some people like to do a cross, back, and then do a quarter on your third step. So one more time. Cross, back, turn a quarter, step. So you sort of end up in the same direction and with the same foot forward. So it's, yeah. Sometimes you want to turn on the second, and sometimes you want to turn on the third count. It might depend on the music as well. What you feel is correct for that music. Of course, you can do the same with the other quarter turn. Then it's across, return on the second to the side, front, or you turn on the third, across, back, turn, forward. You can also do a half turn. It's not very normal, but then you do across, you turn on the second, you turn on the third, and you step forward. That's really a variation that you don't see very often, but it's once in a while there's a jazz box with a half turn. So, okay, good luck.